Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to introduce about FURGPT. Next evolution of AI and Web3 via artificial intelligence love, emotion, sympathy, and companionship. You have like creation of your pet, then FURGPT will help you. How your ultimate pet care companion with FURGPT is going to give you help. Basically, we are also going to give you help for creating you. Because you can also generate your the type, the breed, and what should be action that is being performed by your favorite pet. You can select the style, there should be color, there should be number of icon. You can select each and every customization for your favorite pet. And then you can also go for the color and ear should be click on the generate option and then you will see the result easily on FURGPT. And not only this, you can also check there are customization AI powered and there is also high quality output. If you want to know further information about their white paper, and here is also how actually this is working. There is also a complete video that will help you. It related to their frequent last question, you can read about it. And not only this, on the Twitter, you can check about FURGPT, expand emotional intelligence model for life-like human AI connection. And yes, you can read the article on issue wire. Like FURGPT have expanded their emotional intelligence model to deliver richer, more feel-like interaction between user and AI companion. You can also create your AI companion now on the official website and there is also some frequent last question if you want to. Or their official token that is FURGPT. Yes, this is also listed on major exchanges. You can also get that on Maxi. There are also events in which you are going to participate to get reward. You can create account, you can start your next epic journey in FURGPT with the worth of token holding as there is sport and future trading. And yes, you can also get everything in a single interface where you can connect to wallet and then you can also see here how actually this is working with a complete method as fiat currency and you can also go for the option where you can use the effort to. On the Maxi, you have option to see how FURGPT going on with the performance of chart analysis. And if you want to buy or sell mean swap, you can also do it on the Maxi with analysis of recent price too. And yes, this will be a very helpful for you that you are going to join on it. And next, you can also follow them on their official Twitter and Telegram for upcoming details. FURGPT will help you about that. So you can also improve and you can also see here is also different reward-based event campaign that you are going to join. FURGPT will help you. So I hope you understand. You can ask and you can join their community on Telegram too. And I catch you next YouTube. Take care and happy your time, where you can see the introduction about this project in the age of Web3. FURGPT emerged with a pioneer and building the AI-driven community with creativity. You can see the number of total token and their tokenomics. A complete details have been shared here. You can see here. And next, you can also check the roadmap that is also very simple, like what they are going to make in actual. So I hope you understand, and I catch you next video till then. Goodbye.